What's up guys, I finally got a downpipe installed on my car. Even though I bought the downpipe like 4 months ago, it's just been sitting in my room taking up space for like 4 months, but finally got it on and I got some pretty good sound clips with it. One thing I'm gonna say is the burbles got a lot more aggressive after I put the downpipe on. I kind of expected that, but you'll see in the video, burbles are kind of annoying. I'm gonna turn them down later and try to get some more sound clips without them. But overall, I gotta say I like the setup I'm running right now, which is the full AWE touring exhaust along with a high flow VRSF catted downpipe. I like the setup, but I don't love it. I'm gonna show you some sound clips, and if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna explain what I mean by I don't love it. All right, there it is. So this is my 4th exhaust setup that I've done with the car. I started with the M Performance muffler and factory BMW resonated mid-pipe. Then I added an AWE non-resonated mid-pipe, still with the M Performance muffler. Then from there I put the AWE muffler, so I had the full AWE touring exhaust. And now I added a high flow catted downpipe from VRSF to the AWE touring exhaust. So earlier in the video I said that I like the setup, but I don't love it, and there are 2 reasons for that. The first reason is it's way too loud until the car warms up. Now some of you guys who do like muffler deletes and stuff probably won't be bothered by this at all, but I don't like cars that are way too loud or cars that drone. So this, for the first 10 minutes, it kind of drones a lot, and then also the cold starts are really loud. And I like loud cold starts, but I don't want to be an annoying neighbor. So maybe I'm gonna put my resonated mid-pipe back onto the car. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna drive it around for now and see if I get used to it. By the way, the reason I bought this downpipe was so I can go stage 2 on boot mode. The car was loud enough for me before. I didn't do it because I wanted more noise. And the second thing I don't love about this exhaust setup is it made the tone, the exhaust note, kind of raspy. Before it was just a nice deep tone, and I recorded a few videos before the downpipe. I'm gonna link those if you want to check those out. But I prefer a nice deep tone over a raspy one. Some of you guys might disagree because now it sounds a little more open, but that's just my preference. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm probably gonna try to perfect the burble tune a little bit more and then go get some more sound clips with that. So make sure you hit like, subscribe. Got more BMW videos and general car videos coming.